The following video will show you how to access the Anderson College remote desktop server. If you're using a Windows-based computer, you simply scroll down to the search box on the bottom and you type in MSTSC. Again, it's MSTSC and you click on the Enter button. In the following screen, you type in apps.andersoncollege.com:5555555. As you can see on my screen here, it's already here since I've already logged in once. Then you click on the Connect button, and you should receive a screen like the following. It's a screen that prompts you to enter your username and password. Again, enter the same username and password that you use for login to Microsoft Teams or Office 365. Enter your username, your password, and you should be logged into a remote server. This is perfect for using things like Sage, QuickBooks, Kroll, any of those type of applications that we're using, AbleDent and AbleMed, those type of things. It might take a few seconds for you to log in the first time, but it will be a lot quicker the second time. And that is how you log into the Anderson College remote application server. Again, the important thing is the address, which is apps.andersoncollege.com:5555555. Thank you. Have a great day.